So what can we do to increase the competition in the market? Well, I think the answer is clear. We just need more competitors. And actually, as we're, from a public health point of view, specifically interested in cheap, good quality, generic human insulin, generic or biosimilar human insulin, that's the cheapest way forward for many people. So we are actually interested in getting more large volume human insulin producers on the market. We have some of them are just too small to survive, but some of them are actually very good and really try to enter the international market. And I think we can do something. We can do something to help them, and we can do something to make them known and recognized. What you should realize is that even if you bring a new insulin or a new product to the market, it has to be approved. And actually, it starts by the approval in your production country, which could be India or Mexico or Egypt or Russia or China. And then afterwards, if you want to export, your product has to be assessed and also approved by the regulatory agency in the receiving country. It can be any African country or other countries. So there are ways to do that. So for example, there is the WHO pre-qualification scheme, which is a system to assess and approve certain products for procurement by the UN, by the United Nations. Which in the case of insulin is a bit funny because the UN is not buying insulin, and yet if that approval would be there, that would be very helpful to many other countries who would like to get that assurance that the product is a good one, and to help them to distinguish between good and not so good product. In the same way, WHO pre-qualification would also be an assurance for many regulators in poorer countries who would then say, well, if it's good enough for WHO, it should be good enough for us. And they would then have a rapid regulatory uptake. They would quickly approve that product for sale in their country. And that would really increase the market and, well, that would help competition to go. And as you know, if you have good competition, transparent competition with good products which are quality assured, that brings the price down. And that's what we want.